In the diagram, angle FAC equals 122 degrees. So angle FAC, so this angle here is 122 degrees. Angle ACB is 78 degrees. So angle ACB is 78 degrees. Angle GBD is 96 degrees. So angle GBD is 96 degrees. BD is equal to BE. So BD is equal to BE. Part 1, calculate the angle ADB. So trying to find out what angle ADB is equal to, so this angle in here. And part 2, explain why the length of AE is greater than the length of AC. So AE, just from here to here, we need to explain why this is greater in length than AC, which is from here to here. Don't forget that every stage in your deductions must be explained. Draw the diagram again and name the important angles. So here we have the diagram drawn out again, and we're going to label some of the unknown angles. So this is going to be angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. So part 1, we want to calculate ADB. So the angle ADB. So what we've basically labeled is angle 3. That's what we're trying to find out. So we're going to consider the triangle ABC. So ABC. And by the exterior angle theorem, angle FAC, so angle FAC, which is 122 degrees, is going to be equal to angle ACB, so angle ACB, which is 78 degrees, plus angle ABC, angle ABC. So angle FAC is 122, angle ACB is 78, ABC we don't know. So 122 minus 78 is 44. So angle ABC is 44 degrees. So angle ABC is 44 degrees. And this is because an exterior or an outside angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite two angles. So 122 degrees is equal to 78 degrees plus 44 degrees. By a straight angle at B, so you can see we have B here, we have a straight line or a straight angle. We already know that this is 96, and we've just figured out that this is 44. So we know that the three angles together are going to give us 180 degrees. So 44 degrees plus angle 1, that's not 1 degrees now, it's angle 1, plus 96 degrees will give us 180 degrees because they line a straight line. So 44 degrees plus angle 1 plus 96 will give us 180 degrees. So 180 minus 96 minus 44 will give us 40 degrees. So angle 1 is 40 degrees. So angle 1 is 40 degrees. Next we're going to consider the triangle BDE. So BDE, so this triangle here, which is isosceles. We know that this triangle is isosceles because the length DB is equal to the length EB. We have these little lines here that represent equal length. So by the isosceles triangle theorem, angle 2 is going to be equal to angle 3. So angle 2 will be equal to angle 3. And we know that the angles in a triangle all add up to 180 degrees. So angle 2 plus angle 3 plus 40 degrees will give us 180 degrees. And we know that these two angles are going to be the same because it's an isosceles triangle. So angle 2 plus angle 3 plus 40 gives 180 degrees. So angle 2 plus angle 3 plus 40 degrees gives 180 degrees. So we could say 2 times angle 3, or else 2 times angle 2, will give us 140, because 180 minus 40 is 140. And then 140 divided by 2 will give us 70. So angle 3 is 70 degrees, and likewise angle 2 is also 70 degrees. So angle ADB is 70 degrees. Angle ADB is 70 degrees. So angle 2 is 70 degrees, angle 3 is 70 degrees, and angle 1 is 40 degrees. So we were asked to calculate angle ADB. Angle ADB, we found it to be 70 degrees. So angle ADB is 70 degrees. Part 2, explain why the length of AE is greater than the length of AC. So the length of AE, we have to explain why this is greater than the length of AC. So since angle 2 is 70 degrees, so it's angle 2 there, we worked out to be 70 degrees because it's an isosceles triangle. By vertically opposite angles, angle 4 is also 70 degrees. So angle 4 is opposite angle 2, so angle 4 is 70 degrees as well. So if angle 2 is 70 degrees, then angle 4 is also 70 degrees because they're vertically opposite, and vertically opposite angles are equal. Now consider the triangle ACE. So triangle ACE. So this triangle here. By the greater angle, greater side theorem, as the angle ACE, so ACE is 78 degrees, which is greater than the angle AEC. Angle AEC, which is 70 degrees. So since this angle is bigger than this angle, then the side AE must be greater than the side AC. The side AE must be greater than the side AC, because the larger sides are always opposite the larger angles. So since this angle is 78 degrees, and this angle is 70, then this side must be greater than this side.